This time I'm going to make a very basic curved plant pot. So I'm going to start with drawing this shape, which is half of a plant pot, and then revolving it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the line tool, and lined up with the origin, I'm going to draw a straight line, horizontal. Now I don't want to continue that line, I want to add a spline. I'm going to add a spline by clicking on that dot and then clicking down the bottom somewhere and then escape. And now I'm going to draw the last two lines. So there's a line from there horizontal to line up with the origin, and from there vertical to line up with the first point. And you'll notice that it turns grey. If it turns grey, you've joined all of your points correctly. If it doesn't turn grey, then you can't turn it into a shape. Now we want to actually make that curve. So rather than be on the line tool, I'm going to go back to the arrow, and when I click on this spline, you'll see I've got these handles. So I'm going to drag those handles out to where I want them to be. We can't go past the point unless we make the top less than 60 millimeters, because we want the whole pot to fit within 120 by 120. So I'm just going to make it a vertical line. And once I'm happy with that, then I'm going to smart dimension the whole thing. So I want it to be 60 across the top, and then probably 30 across the bottom, and I want it to be 120 high. There we go. It's possible you want to then adjust that curve. Sorry, just hit undo one too many times. So clicking on this handle here, we can drag it down or up to make that curve a bit more noticeable. Okay, and then once I'm happy with it, I'm going to click the tick box and exit sketch. And now I can revolve that sketch, highlight it, click on features, click on revolved base, and remember we have to work out which axis of symmetry we're going to use. So if I use this one, you get a weird butterfly bumpy cone. If I use this one, it goes the other way, and if I use this one, we get a thing that looks like a plant pot. Tick. Okay, that's the curved plant pot revolved, and I will make another video for the concave plant pot.